How to buy original Gangsters token. Now this token came under the symbol of OG. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fund wallet for that. As you can see, click here on swap. And make sure that you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it, and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on solve. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip from here, as you can see, or custom, because the most of issues came from the slip and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy OG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.